Lifetime Community Service Award to JAHJAH Foundation, May 20th, 2017.
Special guest, honored guest, JAHJAH Foundation, and all guests. I want to thank you for the opportunity to recognize the JAHJAH Foundation for the work we do. I accept this award on behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation, our volunteers, partners, sponsors, fundraising reps, my wife, my family, who have all contributed in some way to the success of our mission. Thank you. I could not accept this award without thanking all the other great organizations out there who inspired us, encouraged us, and actually taught us how to be an organization. There are many organizations out there, too numerous to mention, but I will have to mention a few who I will have to pay homage to, who paved the way for the JAHJAH Foundation. And of course, the same names keep coming up again. Dr. Roy Street and his team at OID, the leadership of Carleen Loggy and Leslie Ann Samuels of the JAHJAH and the whole JAHJAH family, Nurse Claudia Powell at the Jamaican Nurses Association of New York, and last but certainly not least, the Vincent Hosang Family Foundation. I want to thank you. I get a lot of invitations to go to a lot of awards ceremonies, and for me, this is probably one of the biggest honors to be here today. That is the main reason why I'm accepting this award, because I want the record to show that Dr. Dixon and the team at JAHJAH Foundation support your noble mission, and we will continue to do our part, as together we can make a difference. There is no better award than one that comes from your colleagues, those who believe in the same principles as you, those who go to bed every night and dream of a better Jamaica, those who wake up every day and say prayers not just for themselves and their family, but for the larger family of human race. We at the JAHJAH Foundation thank you for honoring us with this award. Thank you, and remember June 3rd is our fundraiser, and we would love to have all of your support. Thank you. An inspiration to us all. Thank you.